Have your own way, Lord. Have your own way. You are the potter. I am the clay. Mold me and make me after your will. Help me be yielded, willing and still. Cleanse me from sin and all of the lies that have been written deep down inside, replacing each one with your love and your truth, that you might mold me and make me like you. Fill me with your spirit and all of his fruits. Please give me your armor, your righteousness too. Fight all my battles and save me from sin. Come live within me, Master and friend. Have your own way, Lord. Have your own way. Hold o'er my being, absolute sway. Filled with your spirit, till all can see Christ only, always living in me. Christ only, always living in me.